Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have 7 to the power of k to be equal to minus 7. We are asked to find the value of k. As you can see, if you look at this very well, you will notice that from your left hand side you are having an exponential, while from your right hand side you are having a negative whole number. Now, to get rid of this, let's have our solution. So this simply implies that we are going to get a complex number for our answers, because if you are looking at this, whatever you have as the value of k, your answer must be equal to negative value of 7. Now let's rewrite our questions. We are having 7 to the power of k to be equal to minus 7. So we are trying to look for a number in such a way that when we substitute it for the value of k, so the result will give us minus 7. So the first thing that I want us to do, we are having 7 to the power of k to be equal to minus 1 multiplied by 7. Now, doing this, if you multiply minus 1 by 7, this will simply gives you minus 7. So, and don't forget, this illustration, minus 1 is equal to e raised to the power of I into bracket 2n plus 1. Yes, minus 1 simply means this, and this n here belongs to set of real numbers, that is n belongs to set of real numbers. Now let's now try and substitute for the value of minus 1 in this our original expression. So therefore we will now be having 7 raised to the power of k to be equal to, so we are having our minus 1 to be e by I into bracket 2n plus 1. So by substituting this, we will now be having e raised to the power of pi I into bracket 2n plus 1. So from here, so everything multiplied by 7. Now the next thing that I want us to do, let's divide both sides by 7 so that we'll be able to eliminate this 7 from our right hand side. So by doing this, we'll be having 7 to the power of k. This will now give us to e pi I in bracket 2n plus 1 multiplied by 7. So divide here by 7, divide here by 7. So these 7 cancel out each other. So we are left with 7 to the power of k divided by 7. We now give us e raised to the power of pi I into bracket 2n plus 1. Now, and don't forget, according to law of indices, if you are having a to the power of m divided by same a to the power of n, so this can simply be written as a to the power of m minus n. Now let's now apply this to our expression. So by applying this, we'll be having 7 to the power of k, so divided by 7 to the power of 1. Don't forget, this one is to the power of 1. This will give us e into bracket pi I raised to the power 2n plus 1. Now by applying that to our left hand side, we'll be having 7 to the power of k minus 1. So that will now give us e to the power of pi I into bracket 2n plus 1. Now from here, the next thing that I want us to do is to apply ln to both sides. So by applying ln to both sides, we'll be having ln of 7 raised to the power of k minus 1. Now give us a ln e to the power of pi I into bracket 2n plus 1. So, and according to power law of logarithm, if you have ln of a to the power of b, so this simply gives you b ln of a. Now by applying this, so we'll now be having k minus 1 into bracket ln of 7. So this will simply gives us, and don't forget, ln of e, so we give us 1. So therefore we are left with pi I into bracket 2n plus 1. So now this is what we are left. We are left with k minus 1 ln of 7 will give us pi I into bracket 2n plus 1. So from here we are having this. So we are having this from here. So let's now divide through by ln of 7. Divide through by ln of 7. Divide through by ln of 7. So ln of 7 will cancel out each other. So once ln of 7 cancel out each other, so we are left with k minus 1 to be equal to pi I into bracket 2n plus 1 divided by ln of 7. So now the next thing that I want us to do, we want to remove this minus 1. Therefore we can easily add 1 to both sides by saying k minus 1 plus 1, because in mathematics whatever you do to your left hand side, you must do it to the right hand side as well in order to maintain balance. So therefore now we have a 1 plus pi I into bracket 2n plus 1. So everything divided by ln of 7. So therefore minus 1 cancel plus 1 here. So we are left with our k to be equal to 1 plus pi I into bracket 2n plus 1. So divided by ln of 7 as the value that we've already gotten. So therefore we are having our original equation, that is our k, will now be equal to 1 plus pi I into bracket 2n plus 1, everything divided by ln of 7, where n belongs to set of real numbers. So therefore we are having k to be equal to 1 plus pi I into bracket 2n plus 1 divided by ln of 7 divided by 1. So therefore we'll now be having ln of 7. So ln of 7 plus pi I into bracket 2n plus 1. Therefore k will now be equal to ln of 7 plus pi I into bracket 2n plus 1, everything divided by ln of 7. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.